Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have administrator access. This is necessary to change security settings. Once authenticated, open Settings and navigate directly to Network or Security options. Make sure to locate the specific connection profile you plan to edit and back up its current configuration so you can restore it if needed. Begin the first actionable change now. Select the connection and choose Edit or Properties. Doing this reduces risk and prepares you for the next, more detailed steps. Next, change the connection's security protocol settings. Locate TLS/SSL or equivalent and switch it to an alternative mode or disable it if the interface allows. Make sure to also examine headers or flags like HSDS and turn off enforcement where present. Disabling those prevents automatic secure redirects. If certificates or keys are attached, export and save them offline before removal. Once done, apply changes, but do not finalize until you test connectivity and confirm the connection behaves. Finally, apply the changes and restart the network service or device to ensure new settings take effect. Test the connection from a client machine and observe logs for authentication failures, certificate errors, or blocked ports. Make sure common tools like ping, curl, or a browser reflect the unsecured state as intended. If something goes wrong, immediately re-enable the previous security settings or restore the saved profile. This single troubleshooting tip prevents prolonged outages and lets you iterate safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.